into Sunday, y'all. It is a beautiful, yeah, now we're outside. It is a beautiful Sunday afternoon. Yeah, we're coming to look at the garden. I'm trying to stand this little tomato plant back up. We're gonna have to get some taller stakes pretty soon for these tomato plants. It poured down rain last night and I thought everything was just gonna be pounded and destroyed out here. It was so sad, but everything's fine.
I'm gonna put this one in the grow bag.
You are? We gotta get some soil for the grow bags.
Yeah, but I got soil.
You got soil?
Yeah.
What?
Back in the bin.
Oh.
Back at the bin. It's in the bin.
Is there some soil? He keeps saying there's soil back here. Maybe he knows something I don't. Nope, we have firewood.
There was some in that backpack.
In the backpack? I don't think so. I think that's Ty's fishing stuff. Today would be a good day to go fishing. Over here, we still need to get flowers for my planters, and why did I not think about that at the farmer's market yesterday? I don't know. They had so many pretty flowers that would look really good in there. Titus did get these flowers from Tractor Supply, so we finally have flowers in the little rolling planter here, this bucket. We got this last year and it never had a plant in it, ever. The kids would put toys in there like water guns and shoes sometimes, just random things, but yeah, never a flower. We finally got one in there. I don't know what kind this is though. It did have a tag, I thought. What kind is this, y'all? It's really pretty. It's orange. I don't know if it's picking up the color too good on camera, but it's a really pretty orange. These are the plants that are going in grow bags. It's mostly peppers, I'm pretty sure. These two did not have tags at the farmer's market, and the girl who checked us out didn't know either. But it was on the rolling thing that had some other pepper plants, but it also had tomato plants and a few other things. So I don't know. I think that they're pepper plants though. Just don't know what kind. We're just gonna have to plant these and wait and see. It'll be a surprise.
I will plant this one.
You gonna plant this one?
Yeah.
This is the squash one that he didn't put out there, and then these are the mysteries.
I put that one in a cup.
Then we have this one, which is, oh, this is just a basil plant. These two are both basil. Titus got those from Ingles.
This one
is more of the Hungarian wax peppers. He only put two of them out there.
What's this one?
Basil.
Basil.
So yeah, we're going to be transferring all of these to grow bags probably tomorrow. I'm just going to let them stay out here until then. This basil plant broke, and Jonah put some little picks in here to try to stand it back up. Here's where Titus planted the trees that he got. I'm not seeing his vision here, but I mean, I'm assuming he has a vision. I'm just not seeing it. I think he said that he thinks these are dying right here, and I guess he's going ahead and preparing, you know, for that. Woo! We got a lot of eggs in there, Manny. Miss Turkey, girl. During the day, everybody can get out now. Even the little chicks, they're big enough now that they can come out during the day. They don't want to though. Most of the time they stay in this pen. They'll come in and out a little bit, but look at all these eggs, Manny. It's from a couple of days.
Come on, Mama. Two times a year we help this farm separate their calves from their mamas and take the ones that he wants to sell to the sale barn. He just called me and told me that he usually gets them up the night before, puts them in a holding pen so we won't have too much trouble the next morning. Everything will go pretty smooth is what we try to do. Somehow last night they found a way out, so we got to go over here and try to round them up if we can, and hopefully everything will go right. Sometimes it don't. Cameron told me that they're just over the hill. Did they? Which way do you want us to go in right there? All right. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yes, sir.
They're still trying to come to me, but they
yes,
know
sir.
something's up.
There's quite a few of them out there, ain't the camera? All right, we'll see if we can ease around them right here and bring them to you.
All right, I'm gonna go back through that gate and make a turn and bring them through.
Okay, brother. Yes, sir. Sounds good. Boys, let's go around them here and see if we can scoop them up. Ease them around. Slow and easy. That's the best way to handle it. Come on, mamas. Jacob down there on that baby horse. We call them babies. She's 2-year-old. Just keep everything out of walk here. Go on over, boy. You got some pretty cattle. I mean pretty cattle. Go on, baby. Go on. Go. Easy on there, Bubba. There you go. Got one in there that's kind of wanting to lead them astray. Kind of like life, ain't it? Go ahead and close it up, Bub. Tyler, run down there and get it, Cameron. Cameron, he'll get it. He'll get it. Run down there and close that gate. I mean, we know how fast you can run, but we don't want to see you do it again, do we, Cameron? A while ago, one busted out right here, everybody. We usually have a panel right there each time that we swing around and we lock it off. But long story short, Tyler, with everything that was within him, busted down through there and outrun them things down there and got around them somehow. I don't know how he did it. I don't know if he was using his spurs or what.
They ain't but one person, the one being in the world that knows how. That's God.
There you go. The good Lord gave him strength. Y'all ready?
Yep.
Here we go. All right, everybody, we got some farms there all fixed up for spring here, and we'll revisit them in the fall. And we got pretty much finished today and got a call where a guy was needing some help. He had some hip surgery, I'm pretty sure, and he's got an old bad cow down here they need to load. So we're going down here to see if we can help them, and we're going home.
Oh yeah, I think this is gonna be a good one. This is a sugar baby watermelon.
Yeah, it's very sugary.
You think so?
Yeah. See.
This is gonna be a good one, Cece. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Go to seed in my mouth.
So Brad, when we get her around through here, we ought to be able to just send her right up that chute then. They already got her in the catch pen, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna help get her over there and take her down this chute right here. Darren had hip surgery and we just helping right here, so this cow won't knock him down and re-injure his hip. Hey. We got her now.
Did I do that right? I don't know. Did I? Does it need to be piled up more, or is that good?
No, that's good.
How do I light it? Just strike it up? Okay, that'll be fun. Oh, that smells so good already, y'all. There's nothing going on but the charcoal, and it already smells good. Did I do that right? That looks a little big. Okay. This is why I just stick with the inside appliances, except for the Blackstone. I can do that when there's no fire involved. Did I start that grill up right? How did it look? Was that professional when you came out here and looked at it?
Looked good. Looked real good.